Stuck on hold with out-of-state tech support? Let's fix that, Houston. In today's always-on world, reliable IT support isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. That's why businesses across West Houston trust Impress IT Solutions to keep their systems running smoothly. We're not just another tech support hotline, we're your local IT partner. Think hands-on help, strategic solutions, and 24/7 peace of mind. So, what exactly is IT support? It's everything your business needs to keep technology running efficiently and securely, from day-to-day troubleshooting and network management to cloud services, cybersecurity, and disaster recovery. Why choose Impress IT Solutions? Local and responsive. No more waiting on hold with out-of-state providers. We're right here in West Houston, so when you need help fast, we're already nearby. Hands-on support for your whole team. From front desk staff to execs, we provide friendly, knowledgeable tech support for everyone, whether it's a printer issue or a locked account. Unlimited help desk access. Enjoy unlimited remote and on-site support with no surprise fees. Just help when you need it. Security-focused IT management. Every service includes cybersecurity protection because safe tech is smart tech. Microsoft 365 and cloud expertise. Need to migrate or troubleshoot? We've got you covered. Scalable solutions. Whether you have 5 users or 500, our services scale with you, supporting your growth every step of the way. So Houston, let's make tech easy again. With Impress IT Solutions, you focus on your business while we handle the tech. Ready to join the local IT revolution? Give us a call today.